In this video, we will be showing you how to install a field installable connector into an SRC10. First, prep your cable according to the installation instructions in either the installation documentation or the installation video for the SRC10. Then, take your field installable connector. We will be using the connector, but not the boot, and install onto your cable according to the manufacturer's guidelines for the type of connector and the type of cable. Once this cable has been installed into the connector, we will clean both connectors and install into the SRC10. For ease of installation, we will take the adapter out of the SRC10 inner tray if it is pre-installed. Then we will proceed to clean both connectors and install into the adapter. Once both sides have been installed into the adapter, take the adapter and snap back into the SRC10, like so, ensuring that both sides have been snapped in. Once we have done that, use the CTUs that came with the SRC10 and install the cable and route the fiber according to the installation instructions in either the documentation or the video.